Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Kailua, local and long distance movers near me. Are you planning to relocate to or from Kailua, Hawaii and need a moving company? If you do, you should relax, since 3 Movers is a moving business that provides a broad range of services to fulfill all of your moving requirements. Our professional movers provide exceptional services at amazing prices all over the United States. You may be tempted to perform a long distance relocation on your own, but you should seek expert assistance. Each journey is unique, yet they are all considered long distance since they exceed 100 miles. Many individuals fear the process of moving. The work might appear so big that it overshadows all the excitement of moving to a new location and starting new. Therefore, choosing the correct service provider is so crucial. Working with 3 Movers' welcoming team can help you relax. Even a relocation across town could be challenging without a well thought out strategy. Large homes or commercial goods, not to mention all the other packed bits and bobs, are unpleasant. 3 Movers is one of the leading Kailua moving companies that provide services that will relieve you of this worry. We offer local relocation services that encompass any distance of less than 100 miles. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Kailua moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.